Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Squarespace website on Google. First, you'll want to verify your site with Google Search Console. This essential step allows Google to recognize you as the owner. Next, submit your Squarespace sitemap, which helps Google discover all your pages. Remember to create high-quality content and optimize your page titles and descriptions to improve visibility in search results. Squarespace offers excellent built-in SEO tools to help your site rank. Make sure these features are enabled in your settings. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your content, but avoid keyword stuffing. Always add descriptive alt text to your images. This helps both search engines and users with visual impairments. Finally, confirm your site is fully mobile responsive, as this is crucial for search engine ranking. Beyond basic settings, focus on creating unique and valuable content consistently. Organize your information with clear headings and subheadings, making it easy for both users and search engines to understand. Regularly check for and fix any broken links on your site, as these can negatively impact user experience and SEO. Aim to improve your page loading speed. Faster sites generally rank better and retain visitors. Monitoring your site's performance is key to continuous improvement. Use Google Search Console to analyze how your site appears in search results and track your keyword rankings and traffic. Don't forget to update older content to keep it fresh and relevant, signaling to Google that your site is active. Lastly, focus on building high-quality backlinks from reputable sources, which significantly boosts your site's authority.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.